If your job ad isn't performing as expected, the first step, just let us know. You can contact your account manager directly or call our customer service consultant. Once we receive your feedback, here's what we will do. We'll review your job ad and compare it with other similar ads in the market with the same job title, location, and requirements.
Example, if you are hiring an accountant in Kuala Lumpur, we will benchmark it with other accountant ads in Kuala Lumpur. Using our data insights, we will advise you on how to improve your job ad so you can attract more job seekers than your competitors.
After we improve your ad, we will republish it and boost the visibility by
putting your ad at the top of the page, recommending your ad to more relevant job seekers. Usually after this step, majority of job ads get 30% better performance than before.
But some jobs are just harder to hire, depending on area and position.
Example, hiring a supervisor in Taman Tun is harder than in Shah Alam, even with the same salary and benefits.
This is common. But don't worry, we got your back.
If you're using our AI Job Ad Yearly Plan, you're automatically covered under the AJobThing Care program.
If we already tried all the steps above but still cannot deliver result up to your expectation,
We will give you one extra job ad for free. Your current ad will stay active, and you can use the free ad for future hiring. If you're still not satisfied, you can raise your concern directly to our management team via our Mimi hotline.
We are ready to listen and support you.